Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. This is standing on the 2020 Scout 255 LXF right now. This boat is equipped with twin 150s. You got a ski tow pine line back here. Nice live one. Fold out seat with transom. Got your leaning post right here. Pull out Yeti. Seats, flip up bolsters. Got a Garmin on this boat. You're switching. Hard top up here, nice fiberglass hard top. Some more switches up there for lights and such. So walk up here to the bow. Got a cooler under this seat. And storage under both the bow seats right here. As well as storage in the floor. This is a nice feature here, pull down table. You got your windlass anchor system with your switching. Again guys, this has been Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thanks.